Yeah, so at the start it was, I actually didn't like this stuff at all.
Ruia taitea, kia tū ko tai kākā, ko hau anake. E tō i ana e Hakaraia te kauai o ōna mātua tūpuna o te iwi Māori o tira oa o te aroa whānui ki uta.
I tīmata au e nei mahi hua ono tau ki muri, ngā mahi mamau, jiu-jitsu. Maybe intermediate, 12, 13, I seen the UFC and I think I watched Anderson Silva front kick Vitor Belfort in the face. Then I was just hooked. I was like, oh yeah, that's, you know, I didn't know if that's what I wanted to do for a job, but I knew I loved it enough to train all the time. My dad was a Muay Thai fighter in his day. We were always hitting pads and stuff in the garage, but it wasn't it wasn't fun for me, you know. Every training session ended up in tears. I only started jiu-jitsu because you got to know how to get up when you get put down, you know. Didn't take a liking to it. I'd rather punch and kick people in the face at that time. One of my bros, Trevor Huriwai, he was competing in the nationals and he took it out, and I just seen the environment, the mats, all the guys my age. I was only about 15 at the time, and they were rolling around on the ground and competing against each other, and just the natural competitor inside me just took a liking to it straight away. Ever since that day I competed for the first time, I knew I'd want to do this for the rest of my life.
So I need to make sure I get in, I get my hips underneath his hips.
Me whakangungu ka tika I nā hoki ko te kōmata o te ao, te whai.
This year I managed to win the no-gi nationals and I managed to win the gi nationals. So the next step is Aussie, and the Pan Pacifics is an awesome platform. He whakataetai pai tēnei ki te kite I aku pūkenga, ki te kite I taku taumata I mua I tā mātou haringa ki ngā whakataetai o te ao. This no-gi Worlds, it's one of the biggest tournaments there is. For me, I just want to prove that I'm one of the best in the world. I te wā ka oho au I te ata, koenei te mea tuatahi kei roto I taku hinengaro. Kāre he mahi tuatu I ēnei mahi ki au. I love this more than I love anything, and I'm willing to sacrifice anything. I'm just blessed that I get to do this for my job, or for a living. I don't see it as work, as commitment. Training all the time isn't a burden for me. It's never a chore. It's always a pleasure.